As 2024 winds down, we're excited to share the highlights of another unforgettable year. We introduced bank reconciliation, allowing you to automatically sync bank transactions in TenantCloud and match them with manually entered transactions. Move-in, move-out inspections. It's now easier to keep detailed records of the property's condition when tenants move in and out. Listings and ribbons. Highlight your property listing with ribbons to show its best features. We enhanced the tenant screening experience with new Essential and Premium County Search additions. Accounting improvements. The Balances page received a new layout and additional filters. The Payment Records list also got a new look and is split into tabs. Navigation panel, header, and dashboard. These commonly used features are more user-friendly, with new categories to quickly find what you're looking for. The new Tenant app lets tenants pay rent online, set up autopay, submit maintenance requests, and chat with the landlord. Back rent reporting. Tenants can now boost their credit by reporting their past rent payments all at once. We also rolled out free HCH payments for tenants subscribed to rent reporting with TenantCloud. Plus, lots more small updates and enhancements along the way. We've got more exciting features coming in 2025. Stay tuned.